Moment of inertia. Moments of inertia can be found by summing or integrating over every piece of mass that makes up an object, multiplied by the square of the distance of its to the axis. Moment of inertia, also known as the angular mass or rotational inertia, can be defined as a quantity that decides the amount of torque required for desired angular acceleration or property of a body due to which it resists angular acceleration. Find the moment of inertia with respect to the x-axis on the area bounded by the curve y squared equal to 4x and line x equals to 4. So this one, y squared equal to 4x. This line is x equals to 4. Then you have that one, 4 minus x. Then you have this one is x. This one is dy. So solution. So we have I sub x equals to 2 integral of 0 to 4 y squared 4 minus x times dy. But x equal to y squared over 4. We have ix equals to 2 integral 0 to 4 times y squared or 4 minus y squared all over 4 times dy, equivalent to integral of 0 to 4 times 2 over 4 16y squared minus y to the power 4 all over 1 times dy. So integrating this one equals to 1 all over 2 16y cubed over 3 minus y to the power 5 all over 5 0 to 4 or equivalent to 68.27. Find the moment of inertia with respect to the x-axis of the area bounded by the curve y squared equal to 4x, line y equal to 4, y-axis on the first quadrant with respect to the y-axis. So this one is y equal to 4. This one y squared equal to 4x, line y equals to 4, the y-axis, and the first quadrant, this one. So solution. I sub y equals to integral of 0 to 4 x squared 4 minus y dx, but y equals to square root of 4x equals to 2x to the power 1/2. So Iy equals to integral of 0 to 4 x squared 4 minus 2x to the power 1/2 dx, equivalent to integral of 0 to 4x squared minus 2x to the power, this one is 5 all over 2, this one is dx. So integrating and substituting limits, I sub y equals to 4x cubed all over 3 minus 2x 7 over 2 over 7 all over 2 0 to 4 equals to 4 times 4 cubed over 3 minus 2 times 4 7 all over 2 over 7 all over 2 minus 0 equals to 4 times 64 all over 3 minus 4 over 7 times 4 to the power 7 over 2 minus 0, simplifying 12.19.